This is the engine bays, and my name is Ghost Driven, and we're coming up here to the canyons. I'm sorry, viewers, I had the truck really detailed, nice and clean, very nice and clean. Took me 2 days. I'm pissed. You know, it's raining up here in Azusa Canyons. Little bit of wetness, you know. The video we did come up to shoot is best exhaust for the Ram 19. And what I have on it is a Flowmaster Outlaw and 2 resonator delete. So, and that's what we're coming up to shoot, is the exhaust sound. So we got a startup video. We're gonna do some drive-bys, and we're gonna do some 0 to 60 pulls, and some 0 to whatever pulls, you know, whatever the truck gets to. And that's what we're doing. But I'm a little bit pissed off right now. So you might get some high-speed runs with the Ram right now in the rain. Hi guys, I'm back. So we're gonna get some in-car sound of the Flowmaster Outlaw series exhaust. So I'm gonna do a pull with the windows down, just zero to whatever acceleration, and here we go. Check for traffic up here. Here we go. About drone. So here's with the windows up. You can hear the exhaust, but it's not really bad, you know. I mean, it's, you know, you want, like me, I like to hear my exhaust, but inside the cabin it's pretty quiet, you know. It's not that bad at all. So there's no drone. Plus with these 2019 Ram, the new 2019 Ram trucks, we have the 8-speed transmission, so it's always shifting up, so it kind of puts you in a higher gear, lower RPM, so it stays pretty quiet unless you start messing with the manual. Once you start messing with the manual gears, then it could get loud, or you're doing like right now I'm climbing, you know, climbing up the mountain, but it's not bad. Yeah, but as you can hear, this exhaust, the reason why I went with Flowmaster, one, they're really cheap. I think they have a drop-in kit. It's like $300, and supposedly it's a direct bolt-on. You know, once you take out your OEM exhaust, it actually has the hanger on there and everything, and then you just put it on and bolt it on. So it's a nice system. It's $300. I was gonna get it, and I went to my muffler shop that I like to go to, and their name is Mike's Muffler in El Monte, California. And I asked them if they could purchase it for me and maybe get a lower price, and they said, no, why don't we have a regular Flowmaster Outlaw muffler here, we can just install this and we can put a hanger and do all that. So I have a couple pictures of the actual installation, not doing the installation, but after the fact. So, but they're pretty good. They're reasonably priced. I think the whole system for the installation of the Flowmaster, purchase of the Flowmaster, and the 2 resonator deletes, it was like $275. Can't beat it. And the other reason why I like Flowmaster, I used to have a 2015 Mustang GT, and I had a Flowmaster on that one, Outlaw series, and it sounded amazing. So I've always used Flowmaster. I don't think I've ever had any other brand besides Flowmaster. So just heads up. I like them. They're cheap. They're not. I know they're not no higher price like the higher priced mufflers, but they've always been pretty good to me. So that's it. Let me just go ahead and get this.